We all love dogs, however, there are times where a person could be bitten. Our WSFL TV trusted advisors, Demesman and Dover, shared with ISF what you can do in the event of a dog bite. Here on ISF, we are massive dog fans, and we know that the pandemic has caused a lot of those dogs to be unsocialized, which could come with the potential of dog bites and dog attacks out in public. How serious are those?
I believe there are about 4.5 million dog bites a year, but I believe there's only about 15 to 20 fatalities a year. So I mean, that's the farthest extreme you can go, but there are still a lot of serious injuries that come out of that, a lot of scarring, a lot of tissue, a lot of damage that you may not die from it, but there is a lot of damage that can occur. And it also depends on the situation and everything along those lines. They're a lot more common than people realize, so you always need to be cognizant of everything around you. Like when I'm walking my dogs in the neighborhood, I see a lot of people who have dogs just sitting on their lawn, like
unleashed,
dogs doing nothing. I'm like, mine are like, they're like, oh, he's friendly, that's great. One doesn't like people, one doesn't like dogs, one's cool, but that doesn't, your dog being friendly does not help me on my situation at the same time, or your dog's not friendly. So you need to be cognizant of everyone else, and you gotta be cognizant of your neighbor because it can result in a dangerous situation for both your animal and you.
I see that often in my subdivision. As you just said, I see people, dog owners, walking their dog off leash. And dogs are very reactive to people and other dogs. And a lot of people don't know laws from one county to the next about having a dog or what that entails. What happens if you are the victim of a dog bite or your dog causes a dog bite?
Well, I think the first thing that people should know that in Florida is a strict liability state. Which means that no matter what happens, you're at fault if your dog bites somebody, no matter the situation. And not only that, certain dogs are not covered on your homeowner's insurance policy. But we would have to do our due diligence for you as your attorneys to find out the policy, what kind of coverage there is, if there is coverage in this scenario, because if someone has a dog that they shouldn't have had at their house, then their homeowner's insurance won't cover it. However, we would have to then try to go after them personally.
Victor, making someone whole after they've been bitten by a dog, obviously that's a personal injury. How much could someone possibly recover?
Well, I mean, I think that's all gonna depend on the coverage, right? If there's a homeowner's policy that has up to $1 million in coverage, right? There's $1 million to go after. That necessarily doesn't mean that you're gonna get $1 million. It all depends on also the damages caused. If it's a small scratch, right, but it was a dog bite from a Chihuahua, but it's a scratch, then, even though there's $1 million there, you're probably not gonna get $1 million, right? However, if you get bitten by a more dangerous dog or a bigger dog and one of your fingers, God forbid, comes off, which in that situation, the money and the recovery would be a lot higher.